Hello everyone, this is Zach from TradeBSA. So this short video, I'd like to share with you some of the tech counters in KRSC. That's currently we do see it's kind of like a short reversal right now, but of course the background is still pretty weak. Okay, so in this video here, I would like to share with you the market stages, how we're going to use it, and of course with some help of TradeBSA 360 over here, we're going to check whether these stocks should we start to look for entry or we avoid totally. So, but do remember in this video here, we are not asking you to buy and sell, but just want to share with you how we use VSA and Trade VSA to help us, give us a little bit of edge over the market. So, I would like to share with you a few counters over here. First of all, I got this Me Technovation. Of course, if you look into the background overall, we just want to look back, like 6 months to 8 months charts over here. So if you look into this chart over here, we've got actually red pentagons below 240s. Again, if let's say red pentagon below 240 is the one that technically you should avoid. Again, similar one with green pentagon, you only want to trade green pentagon above 240s. If let's say above 240s, you want to avoid that too. So over here, we have this red pentagon where the price break below 240, and this is the first sign to tell us that the trend overall is very weak and weakening, right? So we got few big sell-off bar over here with high volume. Okay, of course, at the moment, yes, we do see the big drop in the market stages over here, and subsequently, recently for this 1 or 2 weeks over here, the market stages seems like showing a sign of recovery or reversal. But we only want to see a confirmation of reversal where the bar turns to green. Like for example, over here on the left hand side of this Me Technovation, we also have a big sell off. The market stages turns to red, okay, and it started to turn to green over here before they hit certain resistance and drop further again. So similar one with the previous example, we want to see a green bar above the market stages before we want to look for the entries. Yes, even though seems like this few days it tried to goes up, okay, but do remember there are actually few sign of weakness around this area. Okay, we got two upthrust and one no demand. So this is again sign of hidden potential sellings, and might cause an inverse pullback from here. So the other things that I think you can take note is that especially for members, you just log into your TradeBSA 360 over here and you just search, okay, Me Technovation. Like for example, in this case over here, we're using Me Technovation. Okay, you just click and you're able to get this page. Okay, so this is a one-page summary on overall. You can look into their FA according to Smart Robbie ratings. You can look into their trading plan. But of course, for me, if let's say your Pentagon flow, okay, this is the one that I would like to highlight today. If your Pentagon flow is very negative with red pentagons, technically you don't want to use or apply this trading plan. Okay, because this is overall is in downtrend, so it doesn't make sense for you to apply using this trading plan over here. So if most of the time if I look into this Pentagon flow over here is bearish, and like for example in this case over here is negative 81% with red Pentagon, technically this is the one that it didn't provide you a very good chart setups. Okay, so the other example I'd like to share with you is INARI. Okay, we got red Pentagon as well over here. Okay, here also it actually break below trend 40s. Okay, going back slightly, and this is a big drop. Okay, so this is the one that you have to be careful. So do remember as well, here it hits the 20 MA and we got this uptrust. So chances for them to cause an inverse pullback is very, very high. Okay, again, whether you want to should you look for entry or should you avoid first? Okay, again, check using VSA 360 over here. So in VSA 360, okay, same things. We got negative 72% with red pentagon. So whenever you see red pentagon and the trend is pretty bearish, okay, overall you want to avoid and don't apply this trading plan anymore because it's in downtrend market. All right, so the other stocks that I would like to share with you, okay, JFTEC over here. Okay, if you look into JFTECs, currently they seems like trying to make a reversal. Of course, like I say, we want to see a market stages turns to green. Okay, in the case of INARI or just now the Me Technovation, we haven't seen the green bars yet. Okay, so if among these three, probably JFTEC currently offering a better setups, okay, compared to the other two. So if you check 360 again, okay, we go to JFTEC. Okay, so even though yes, this is negative, but it's only 55%, and currently is in green Pentagon. Okay, so this is the one that maybe if let's say you're interested, you can actually try to follow this trading plan over here. Make sure it gives you a good risk reward of at least 1/2, okay, before you look for the trades. So again, this is just a quick update for some of the tech counter in I see currently. So let's say there's any changes in terms of the chart setups, we will give an updates very soon.